Morning children. Today I am taking EVS subjects for second standard children. How chapter name How Our Body Works. Understood? Page number 177. Open. Sorry ma. Sorry children. 173. Page number 173 open. EVS I am going to teach. For second standard children, how our body works. Understood? Look at the picture below and label it one side for you. For first standard, you already know. In the first standard, you all know the parts of the body: eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, lips, two lips, eyebrows, forehead, head, hairs, ears, eyes, mouth. Once again I am telling. Fingers, these are fingers. Arm, elbow, this is your elbow. Knee, toes, stomach, knee, toes, chest, shoulders, hand, arms. Here is arms. These are, these parts of our body already in first standard. UKG also know. In first standard you are also know. So just they are revising you in this chapter. In the second standard children know you how our body works. In this chapter, parts of our body they are given here. You have to see the picture and write correct answer. One is done for you. This is what? Head. This is what? Not hair. Head. This is what? Head. Same this head, no? First one is done for you. Remaining you have to done. This is homework for you. Afterwards I will tell you once again. First lesson. Okay children. Our body is a wonderful machine. Our body is a wonderful, means beautiful, good machine. Beautiful, good machine, wonderful machine. It two types of, it has, means our body has two types of organs. How many types? Two types of, here parts I remove. Our body has two types of organs. How many types of organs? Two types of organs. Those are external organ and internal organs. How many types? In our body, there are two types of organs. One is external organ and internal organ. Two types. External organs, internal organs. Our body is a wonderful machine. It has two types of organs. Those two I told you already. External organs and internal organs. Organs are part of our body. These are also part of our body. Organs are part of our body. External organs are those that can be seen. Which can be seen? Those are external organs. Those are external organs which we can see. No, some organs we can see. These organs we can see by our eyes. No, those organs are external organs. Some are internal, inside. Internal means inside. External means outside. Outside our body, we can see, no? We can see. We can't see. We can't see this organ. We can see this organ. External organs and internal organs. Internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs, stomach are important internal organ. They can inside our body. They cannot see. Internal organs inside our body. Examples: brain, stomach, heart, lungs. Only some are given here. Listen. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach are important internal organs. They are inside our body. Inside. Outside means external. Inside means internal. There are examples for internal organs. Internal organs: brain, lungs, heart, and stomach. Brain, we can't see no brain. We are seeing no. Lungs in chest, inside our body. Heart also in left side. Keep here your heart side. You are listening some sound. Heart is making sound always. It stops means man will death. Man will take death. And stomach. We can't see no those. That belongs to internal organs. These are belong to our body parts. These are some lungs, internal. Brain. Now come to brain. The brain is inside our body. It is inside our body. It helps us to think, learn, remember. It controls the organs of our body. All organs are there, no? It controls. It kept control. Like a remote control, the car. It is like a car. Remote is like a brain. For example, only I am telling. It is controlling. Once again I am going to read. Brain. The brain is inside our body. Inside our body and also inside our head. Inside our body means all. But inside the head inside our head. It helps us think and learn. Remember, think, learn and remember. It controls all the organs of our body. It controls all the organs of our body. Who? Brain. Heart. Next come to heart. See, picture of the brain is given now. Brain. Heart. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Do you feel something beating like a drum? Do you feel or not? Yes, it is your heart. It is your heart. What? Heart. Our heart pulls blood to all the parts of our body. It pulls means it allows to go blood to all the parts of our body. This is heart. Keep your hand on the inside of your left side. Keep your hand on the chest, left side. Do you feel something beating like a drum? Yes, it is your heart. Lub dub, just like a sound it comes. Means it is always pumping blood. It flows all throughout our body. Blood pumps means pumping machine, like a pumping machine. Water will pump now throughout the farm. Like that it is pumps blood throughout our body. Blood will allow. Lungs. Next comes to lungs. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep means have to take a long breath. Deeply you take. What you feel? You feel breathe now. Keep chest on the chest. You keep your hand and breathe deeply. What happens? You feel and tell me answer. If we chest swells. There are two lungs inside our chest. These lungs help us breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in. Inside also air is there, outside. If we breathe the air, go inside and breath is coming outside our body. It will come, some will go. Always it also happening like a heart, how it pumps in like. Once again I am going to read. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. And removing outside, giving out and taking in. Taking inside, giving outside the air. Breathe. What do you feel? Giving and taking. Give, take. Take, give. Breathing. Taking air inside our body, giving outside our body air, it will make a breathing. It will call breathing. Taking inside, leaving outside, it is called breathing. Your chest swells. There are two lungs inside our chest. These lungs help to us breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in. They fill up with the air if we breathe inside. See, like this lungs, they are given brain, figure also they are given heart and lungs. Understood? By seeing the picture, you understood? Okay. Stomach. Then stomach. See here, stomach. This is also internal organ. Where does the food go after we eat? After we eat, where does food go? Inside the stomach. Swallow it. After eating, it will go inside slowly. It will go to stomach. The stomach digests the food we eat. We eating the food now till digest and make the form of digestion, give the form of blood. It will give energy to us. So where does the food go after we eat? And swallow it. It goes into our stomach. The stomach digests the food we eat. What we are eating now will digest, make blood, and it will give to heart. It pumps to our body parts. Pumps to all our body parts. Then energy will produce and we are doing our works. Okay. Afterwards in next class I will tell. Okay. Now finish now. Now multiple choice questions. Take, if there is a correct answer means you take like this. Wrong answer means like this. Okay. Take the correct answer. Which internal organ controls all the organs of the body? Option A, brain. B, lungs. 3, heart. A1 is brain. B1 is lungs. C1 is heart. Which internal organ controls our whole body? Brain. A1 is correct. A1 correct. B1, C1 is wrong. For 1. Next, second one. The number of lungs inside our chest are 2. Number of lungs inside the chest. See your lungs. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. What do you feel? Your chest will swell. There are 2 lungs inside our chest. How many lungs? 2 lungs. So answer is here 2. The number of lungs inside our chest are 2. Option A wrong, option B correct, option C wrong. In first one, option A is correct, B and C are wrong. A is correct. In second one, B is correct, A and C are wrong. Understood? A, first one A1 is correct, second one B1 is correct. Okay. Next, bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles, but skin is covered. It not looking, bones and muscles are not looking, covered with the skin. Skin is covered. Our body is made up of bones and muscles, but our skin is covered. How we are covering with clothes our body, like that bones and muscles are covered our body. How skin is also covered those are not going to see. Bones and muscles work together. Afterwards we can see them, but not now. Bones and muscles work together to make us move, run and play. What they are making to move. Run and play. We are running and playing now, making move. So for that, bones and muscles are help. Bones and muscles are help to make a move and run and play. Understand? Bones and muscles are made up of our body. Our body is made by bones and muscles. These bones and muscles help for move, run and play. Understood, children? All parts of our body work together. They work well when we take proper care of them. We should take proper care, no? Then only they will work properly. All parts of our body work together. They work when we take proper care of them. We should take proper care. See here, bone picture and muscle picture, both are given. All the pictures are there. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, bones, muscles. Understood? We have to take proper care of our body to work properly. All parts of our body. Important, we have to eat fruits and vegetables, good food, balanced food, that to balance good food with fruits and vegetables. Then our health will become proper way, good way. That health is wealth. That is, health is wealth. Next, see oral. You understood understood this lesson. Now I am going to ask some question. Okay? You know means you answer. You don't know means you keep quiet, but don't make noise. Why our lungs, heart, brain and stomach are called internal organs? Brain, stomach, lungs, heart is called internal part of organs because they are inside. Why means they are inside. We can't see. They are inside the body. We can't see with our eyes. They are inside. So these are called internal organs. What does our heart do? Our heart will pumps the blood. So all the parts of our body, it pumps the blood and it flows all parts of our body. Okay. Name the organ present inside the chest, pumps the blood. Name the organ, which organ is present in the heart? Heart inside our chest, which organ is present? Name the present. Which organ pumps the blood? Heart will pumps the blood, not the blood. Blood. Name the organ that digests the food we eat. Which organ will digest the food? Stomach. Which we take the food, the cells, and they make digestion and give blood that will give energy to person, means to body, people. Turn the page. Take the correct answer. You have to take correct answer. Correct means right, wrong means cross. First one. Our body is a dash machine. First option wonderful, second non-living, third one useless. It is useless our body. It is non-living. No. Life is there, no, it is living. Useless. No, it is very useful. So first one is option A, wonderful machine. Body is wonderful. Option A is correct answer. Second one, after we swallow the food. After we swallow the food, no, it goes into our stomach. Where it will go? Into stomach. But they are given options: brain, wrong; stomach, right; and lungs. No, wrong option. Stomach is correct, no, stomach. Right, B1 is correct option. Take the correct option. We should work together. Second option, we should fight with each other. We should always fight with each other. No. We should work with each other. Always we have to work with each other. That is correct option. Put A1 is correct option. B1 is wrong. Okay. Now complete the boxes. The word with the help of given picture. Picture is given here. This is what? Brain. This is what? Brain. Spelling we have to fill in the each box. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Here. First one. Second box. Here. Some boxes are given. Some pictures are also given. Boxes are given. Picture also. By identifying picture, we have to fill boxes. Which H-E-A-R-T, heart. What is this picture? Heart, no? We have to fill. Spelling H-E-A-R-T, heart. Understood? This is brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. This is heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Understood? Okay. Now, answer the following question. This is not. Afterwards I will write. Just listen. Name 4 internal organs of our body. Some internal organs: brain, lungs, stomach, and heart. Okay. Otherwise you can write like this also. Lungs, brain, stomach, heart. Like this. How you are getting like this? You can. Second one, how are bones and muscles useful to us? Bones and muscles are very much useful to us to move and run and play. To move properly and run and play. They are very useful. Afterwards you write. Next, you come to here in the box. Correct option. Yes means correct option. The cross means wrong option. First one, lungs help us to dash. First option A, talk. Second option is breathe. Third option. Which one is lungs help us? C. Breathe. Third option is correct. A option, B option is wrong. C option is correct. Which is not an internal organ? Nose, brain, stomach. Stomach we cannot see. No. Brain we are going to see. No. Brain and stomach are wrong. Nose is correct option because it is not a internal, it is external. We can see, no, that. Okay, understood children? Okay, thank you. And also